Welcome to this unboxing and review of the MH Series Pocket Scale. Okay, let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the scale. Okay, so it requires two AAA batteries to work. So I'm going to install the batteries. So right over here you have units, so you can weigh in ounces, grams, carats, grains. So I'm going to use ounces. Now, tare means weighing products that are inside something. So if you have something in a container, you would put something on the scale and then press this button down. And then after the container is on top, then you would put the item inside to weigh the weight of the item that's inside the container, not including the container. So that's how that would work. Now the pieces button is a counting mechanism. Okay, here's the manual. Okay, so I'm going to power the scale off. So there you go. This was an unboxing and review of the MH Series Pocket Scale. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.